So the first tip it is to add very quickly. As you can see, here is a table with a series of data or grades that my students have. So for example, it is more traditional to think that if you want to sum up all of this, you are going to see 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2.8, but it is very boring and stressful could be. But here today with this command you are going to save a lot of time, and you are not going to waste this time doing this. So for example here, the first step is you need to select all of the data that you have. In this case, there it is. So the command is Alt plus Shift plus 0, and you can see here is the total, but I don't want to be there, so I'm going to put in this column. So also again, Alt plus Shift plus 0. As you can see, here is the total for each student hat. So what happens if you wanted to see more clearly? You are going to put in the command that is here. You are going to divide into the 9 boxes that I have. So for example here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to put in the command /9 and enter. As you can see, here is the total divided into 9 boxes, and you are going to swipe down only the cross, and there it is, all the total that the students have. So what if you want to see more clearly and more easy, you only have to select all of this and you put this in these zeros, and yep, there is the total of your students, and it is very useful and quickly to do. So remember, the command is Alt plus Shift and plus 0 or equal in your keyboard, and you are going to save a lot of time. Well, what is the second step or tip? As you can see here, I have a table with some activities that I have to do during the day. So for example, let's imagine that I have done the first activity, that is search for information on spectroscopy. What happened when I press in the box? As you can see here, the activity is completed, or for example here or here or here. So how can you create this table for organizing your time and also to keep in your mind what are the activities that you have done, or what are the another activities that you have to do during the day? So as you can see here, I have the same table, the same activities. So first one, you are going to the part of developer, in the bottom of insert, in the box check, and put this. You're going to delete these words, and you are going to move with right click. You are going to move the box and try to put in the middle of the column. So now you're going to do the same. So you're going to also right click to format control, put cell link, and you're going to link the cell with the box. And yep, and you're going to do the same with another. So for example here, format control, cell link, and yep, and here format control, and yep. So when you have done all of the boxes the same, you're going to select all of them in the part of home, and you're going to press this button, and later you're going to select all of the activities. You are going to the part of conditional forming, new rule, in the part of use a formula, and here you are going to press in this part. You're going to delete this code, and you're going to put equal true, put in format. In font you're going to put in straight through, and in the bordered outline, and yep, and as you can see here, all of the boxes are completed, and it is here it is how can you create this easy table for organizing your activities, your day, and to see what are the activities that you have done. So let's go with the last tip. So now, what is the last tip or the last step that I'm going to give you? So for example here, as you can see here, I have a table with some data. So it is a final project, and also there are the names of my classmates, and there are the activities that I have to do. So for example here is search of data, the matrix, the introduction, the justification, the objectives. So it is for a final project. So what is new here? As you can see here, the same checkbox, and when you press the button, the bar increases. As you can see here, the bar is going to increase. But what happens when I don't press the button? The bar decreases. So how can you create this bar? For example, here, for example, here, this part. As you can see here, as you can see there, the bar decreases according to the activities that you completed. So it is very useful when you have to do like a project. Well, I have to do. So you can see how your classmates or your teammates are working on it, and also what are the things that they don't have done already. So begin with the tutorial. So in this part, as you can see, it's the same table, the same data, the same names, all the same. So you are going here in the part of progress, you are going to write the following command. You are going to write equal, you're going to write average, and you are going to select all of these boxes until the last one, and you're going to write this symbol, and you're going to close the parentheses, and you're going to press enter. As you can see here, it is a percent, 0%, and you're going to swipe down the cross, and yeah, it is. But when I write this, as you can see here, the percent increases. So how we can create the bar? So you're going to be in this part, in the part of conditional forming, in the data bars, solid fill, and when you put this, as you can see here, it is already completed, but you have to edit. You're going to also to conditional forming, to in this part, to more rules. You're going to put in minimum the number like 0, and the number maximum going to be number 1. It is like the 100%. You can change the color. So for example, I want to be in the green. So when you put this, it's going to be like that, and you only have to copy the same with the others. As you can see there, it is going to increases the bar or decreases, and it is the last tip that I give you, and I hope that you enjoy. I hope that it is going to be like very useful for you. That is the principal goal from this video. See you next time, and good luck with your activities, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe and comment and share with your friends and or professionals, whatever. So thanks for your attention. Goodbye.